What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing two ponds today. I'm still in San Antonio, Texas. The first pond I'm at, I have not fished it before. It looks pretty good. There's some good structure and there might be some bass, so hopefully we can catch some bass today. The second pond, I might fish for some catfish. I have some weenies with me. I saw a ton of catfish there last time, so I'm gonna go back to that spot and see if I can land a catfish. I don't usually catch catfish, but we'll give it a shot anyway, see if we can make something happen. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, so we made it to the first little spot of the day. Some pretty good vegetation on these edges. There's like a little dock right here. See if we can get something to commit. The water is very murky though, compared to the second pond that we are going to try today. The second pond has more clear water. This is more of a murky water. I don't know if there's any bass here. I'm thinking there is. It doesn't look too pressured. It might have some fish stocked. Just have to figure them out. We'll give this spot about an hour and see if we can make something happen. But I really do want to try and catch a catfish today. That's the main goal for today. Hopefully we can make that happen. But this spot looks pretty good as of right now, other than the fact that it is very murky. But we might still be able to catch some fish. For sure, we might be able to catch some bass at the next pond. We slayed them last time. They're all stunted there, but it's still pretty fun to catch those bass. So we'll see if we can make something happen here. I'm thinking there has to be a fish at this dock if it's not that pressured. But I'll just go along the bank, kind of fish my way around this little pond. Give it about an hour, and then the other pond is not too far from here, so we'll see if we can make something happen. Please tell me that was a bite. Oh, I had one. First fish of the day. God, I'm just fishing off this dock right here, and I had one. I was not too sure about it though, but I definitely did. Set the hook, I had a fish. This pond might have some decent sized fish. That's a fish. Got one. I lost them. Or do I still have them? I lost them. Second fish I lose. Got one. No, oh my gosh, really, right in front of me. This is like third fish I lose. I felt him and he was not committing. I'm like, I'm gonna reel it in. I'm not gonna twitch it on the bottom, because I've been twitching it on the bottom. He pecked at it. When a fish does that, when they're very unsure, kind of start reeling it in slow and then fast, like kind of gradually towards the bank, because they think that that crawl is gonna get on the bank and they're not gonna have food anymore. And literally right when I was close to the bank, that fish, I saw him eat it right in front of me, and I just felt it, and I set the hook. I just set it too early. That's one tip for y'all. If y'all are fishing like a crawl or something and y'all are jigging it up and down, if a fish doesn't want to commit but you feel him pecking at it, start reeling it in slow and then fast towards the bank, and they see that their food or their bait is going to get on the bank, and right at the bank sometimes they'll strike it. That's the third fish I lose. This pond might be stacked. That was a very pale bass right in front of me. I can't hook into them. Maybe they're small, because that's like the third fish that I try to hook into and I lose. Watch, come on. Got one. First fish of the day, everyone. Come on, I need to land this guy. Not a giant, but I'll take him. Very pale. Get in here, buddy. Oh, finally. That feels good. Little dink. I'll take him though. Landed a fish. It feels like it's been forever. I was fishing all day yesterday. Not a single bite. I tried to film a video yesterday and I couldn't make it happen. There you go. First fish of the day. Like I said, the first fish that I actually saw that I hooked into looked very pale. And this fish is super pale. Go ahead and toss him back in the water. Not bad. Still have about 30 minutes to grind it out here in this little spot, and then I'll head over to the other pond. Right there. I'm already getting murked. Second fish of the day, right there. That feels like a better one, actually. Come on. Not bad, not bad. I'll take him. Second fish of the day at this pond. I am running out of time. I probably only have like about an hour to fish. I still have to go to the other pond. Second fish of the day, little dinker right there, not bad. Back in the water he goes. Let's see if we can land one more, come in clutch. All right everyone, so I was gonna go to the other pond to fish for some catfish, but something came up. As you can tell, my door is locked. My trunk is not open. My keys are not in my pocket. This other door is locked. I don't know how else to put this. I locked myself out of my car. And there's a locksmith coming, which sucks because I don't have any more time to fish. I might not even be able to go back home today. Probably not until tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Not too sure whether I'm going back to Del Rio today, but at least we caught some fish in this video. It just kind of sucks that I locked myself out, but it happens. This is the second time it happens, but I am not in Del Rio, so I don't have my spare key. But I guess we'll just wait around till the locksmith comes around, and it's content for y'all, so it just sucks that we couldn't catch any more fish. But wait for the locksmith and see if we can get my car open. Thank you, appreciate it so much. Let me get my wallet. All right everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. As you can tell, I'm back in my car. I do not have time to go to the other pond, but I still managed to catch 2 bass in total today. I did not think I was gonna get locked out of my car today, if I was being honest. I had made that mistake one time. 2 times is enough already. I'm gonna make sure not to do it again. Still not a bad day though, we caught 2 fish. At least we landed some fish. Maybe next time when we come to San Antonio, we can fish some more ponds, hopefully catch a catfish next time. But with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe for future content just like this, and I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.